What's going on, guys? Thrills in a Block back again. Today we've got the T-Rex Speedo Liner, the bed liner, in black. We're going to be spraying this on an OBS pickup truck. I've already got the bed prepped, got it sanded, wax and grease remover. It's ready to go. Let's get to work. Here's the tailgate, back of the truck. I typically don't shoot these outside, but there are more parts in the garage drying, and it is actually calm right now. As you see, the plastic is not moving. So we're gonna go ahead and lay this bed liner in. Pretty straightforward. You just mix your activator into this bottle, you shake it for a few minutes, put in your spray wand that comes in the kit right there, and then you spray it on the bed. Alright, so the bed liner's been on there for a few hours and it's actually dried up pretty well. Finish looks really good. I'm impressed, I really am. Wasn't sure how this was going to turn out. Every other product I've used from Speedokote's been good. This product is no slouch either. Nice crisp lines on the bed, tailgate. Dusty fingerprints on there, but yeah, as you can see, I am touching the surface, so it's dry. Yep, that is the T-Rex bed liner from Speedokote. That's the finished product. It does look really good on this truck, so the owner should be happy. That's gonna wrap it up for this video. My name's Erwin. This Thrills in a Block, where we're giving back what time is taken away. Be sure to check out my other videos. We'll see you soon.